Hi guys, I just wanted to go over, this is John for Ham4Ham. I just wanted to go over quickly the NEC output here. And you can see even with a frequency of 14.25 megahertz, the Evolve function still did get stuck here. And also an error came up once it got to a certain point. But you can see after the second iteration here, it did get stuck. So now it's on to the new NEC Evolve project, which I'm actively working on, and any support I can get from other programmers around who are hams or testers or evaluators. Basically, I'm removing the old DOS console, which everything was attached to, and I'm running an NEC input file into the console, and it's going to give me an output. Right now the graphs are just dummies there. They're not demonstrating the actual output of the file. And then I'm looking for the output file, and then I'm going to test it back into NEC original for NEC2. And I also found the speed to be also better than the original DOS console, although in the debug version of the software it is about 3 times slower, but for now I really don't care about that. So now I'm opening NEC for NEC2, and I'm going to mistakenly open the frequency sweep file, which I also tested at first here. But anybody that's can help on this project, it would be appreciated, because it's certainly going to take a lot of work. And what I'm looking to do is take some of the suggestions I got so far. Were to take things like, I know I have this wire, I know I can support from this many points, so tell me, software, what kind of antenna can I build? And that's what I'm looking to do, and it's going to be slow and steady progress as I have time to do it piece by piece, but any help would be appreciated. And even for software testers first. We're going to be starting with the first one. The alphas will be in Windows 32. I'm operating on Windows 10 right now, and the compiling system I use is C++ Embarcadero Builder, which I've always used over the years. It used to be Borland Company. But here I'm just looking at the output from the files here to make sure they're correct. I'm using for NEC2 as my control, and I've been in contact with the original author of this software. He's working on many other projects now, digital and stuff, and he's basically only supporting the software now on a fatal bug problem. So I'm trying to remove the console and go from there. And hopefully we'll see you soon in the next video. I'll show you as we progress along.